Hi, how are you? Today we are going to see the simplest form of Kaaba Sharif, the religious house for Muslim people. So let's start the drawing from here. Right, and another drawing you can see here. Okay, let's put a straight line, which is vertical line, in this point. Another line we are going to have in this point, and the other line will be here. Okay, now we can connect these points at the bottom, one with the another. Okay, so you can see the box. So because of the perspective, the space, this is bigger here and this is smaller here, and the usual curve in the bottom and the top. All right. Let's draw the mirror over here. All right, going to be here. Another one we can see. So this two is the parallel line. Also, we're doing the same outlines for this place. All right. As you know, the simplest form, we're going to do the line drawings mostly. Okay. On top of it, there's a large dome. Okay. And here we can see the another outline which is parallel to the top and this side. Okay. Few details. You can see the blocks, those are going to be here. Okay. And drapers we are going to put later, but before that, let's draw the domes here. So this is the bold outlines we're going to draw now. This is dome. You can see the details. Also draw another dome here and the details on top. All right. The segments, which is separate for each story, usually this is fifth, sixth or seventh story high. All right, going to be like this. These are the simple details you can see here. I'm just doing right now. All right, using the sign pen to draw all the blinds bold here, so it increase the thickness, and you can see the dome, the biggest dome for the main structure. All right, this is not the exact drawing but something similar for the graphical presentation. All right. So drapers are like this, the usual clothings outside the structure. All right. Okay. Some outlines for the bricks we can see here. The graphical presentations you can usually see. All right. So after the outline is done, let's put some monochromatic colors. All right. We can use this one, and let's fill up the borders of those white parts. Okay, so the top part of the kaaba is almost done. This is going to be nice. So this is going to be the usual outlines. And the shades is going to be a little lighter than the previous one. Okay. This part is going to be darker. All right. Okay. Also, you can see the darker part on one side of the mirror. You can see here, right? I'm drawing right now. Another mirror in this side. I'm drawing. Okay. The bright shade on the right side and the darker shade on the left side. All right. Okay, so usual the silver color shade I'm putting here for the other part of the dome. Okay, structure below, this is of different colors. All right. This is a very light color shades, you can see all over the places. It's like putting some color tone, adding the tones to the drawing. All right, so you can see the drawing is almost complete, and this is a nice drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. You can also browse to our playlist to select different categories or lots of options from the drawings. You can subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.